if you're experiencing issues with slow performance in Minecraft multiplayer, there are several steps you can take to improve your gameplay experience. Follow these steps to help speed up your multiplayer experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can test your speed using online speed tests and consider using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for better stability. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Adjust your Minecraft settings for better performance. Lower the render distance, turn off fancy graphics, and reduce particle effects. These changes can help improve frame rates during multiplayer sessions. Step 3. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using up bandwidth or system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other games that may be consuming your computer's power. Step 4. Use a VPN. If you are experiencing high latency or lag, consider using a VPN to connect to a server closer to your location. A VPN can sometimes help reduce ping and improve connection stability. Step 5. Choose the right server. Select a multiplayer server that is known for good performance and low latency. Look for servers that are geographically closer to you or have a good reputation for stability and speed. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your Minecraft multiplayer experience and reduce lag. Enjoy your gaming!